Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and we're going to DIY a little carrot patch sign using these supplies from the Dollar Tree. I just use a long board sign, and I am just going to use that for the base and some of the bottle brush carrots from the Dollar Tree and a carrot patch sign that I got from the Dollar Tree, a little directional arrow sign. And I'm going to do a little bit of coastal colors on that carrot patch sign, but you could always change it up if you wanted a different kind of more traditional decor. I just measure out 5 spaces there evenly and drill a hole into that board sign from the Dollar Tree with my drill, so I have a little opening to attach all these carrots in my little carrot patch sign. This is the carrot patch sign. It was a hanging sign. I'm going to convert it into a sign for this one, so it doesn't need to be hanging. I just first popped off the little bunny here to make it a little bit easier to paint. And I do want that design to come through. So what I did is I thinned down my acrylic paint with some water, almost made it like a whitewash. And I'm going to do that on the front and the back. And then I just use my paint pens to do the carrots, super easy, some oranges and greens. And I really like the blue with the white writing on it for my coastal decor. So I just use a paint pen and we're gonna go over the word carrot patch for this cute little sign. Now for the bunny, we're going to make him white. I just find it a little bit easier to pop those off if you can. Sometimes you can't. And he's holding a big carrot. We're also going to be adding that to the sign. I first distressed my sign with a little bit of white there to give it a coastal farmhouse look. And then it's time for the little carrots. They do have hangers on them, so I just cut the twine off and I'm going to add hot glue into each one of those holes. I only drilled the holes about halfway through that board sign from the bottom, and I painted it ivory to go with my color scheme. I glue all of my carrots in, and now it's a matter of attaching the carrot patch sign. I'm going to use a popsicle stick, a giant popsicle stick. I just paint mine with some ivory paint so it'll match that bottom sign and attach it to the back of my sign, making a little standing sign. I'm going to attach that to the base here with a little hot glue. I'm going to reinforce it with staples to make sure it's nice and strong. And then to give it a little bit of finishing touch, I use some of that burlap trim from the Dollar Tree to go around the base of my sign. If you wanted to, you could add some reindeer moss in between the carrots as well. I think that would be really cute. And then to frame out this sign, I wanted to add another little fun touch. So I just took some twine and hot glued it all the way around, but this part's totally optional. This is how mine turned out, my little carrot patch sign. If you'd like more Easter Dollar Tree DIYs, I have an absolute ton of them over at my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.